Hey guys, so this is the day that we are gonna leave. This is the fit. Nag-i-impake na sila right now. Sinasakay na nila sa car yung mga luggage namin. And we're leaving soon. And it's currently 11:14 and 11:30 ata kami aalis. So see you later guys! It's 12:05 and nasa airport na kami. Tapos nagbabayad na si mommy ng travel tax. There's the travel tax. And we're just waiting. Hi! Hindi ko alam kung putla ba yung mukha ko sa frame, pero hindi ko alam. Naka-lip oil lang kasi ako. Wala akong ibang nakalagay sa face. Anyway, we're here at Terminal 3. Mami! Okay, bye guys. See you later kasi sabi kong bit-bet. See you later. Hi guys. Time check. 2:40 and nandito na kami sa boarding gate. And I can officially say that we are going to Taiwan because nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. Ang aming boarding time is 6:20. After namin kumain sa Wendy's, nagdiretso na kami sa check-in and then diretso immigration, tapos sa scanner, and now we're here! Hi guys! We made it inside the plane and it's 6:58 a.m. Hindi na ako naka-update pagkagising ko, pero pagkagising ko nag-ice ako ng face. See you later again. We're here! Hi! Alam niyo ba? 2 hours and 10 minutes lang naman yung biyahe. Pero, hindi ko alam bakit feeling ko sobrang tagal kong tulog. 29 degrees. Ay, yes. It's 29 degrees here in Taiwan. Hi, I bought coffee here sa... The name is... Cafe D here at the airport. Medyo matagal pala sis. I don't know. Is it there na? Thank you. Yes, it's ice. I got iced vanilla latte. Doon ko na itatry. Dalian ko daw kasi. Okay, let's go. And this is the coffee. It's worth 170 NTD. NTD nga ba? Yes. Worth 170 NTD and let us try. Wow! Iba yung lasa niya. Iba yung beans nila. Hindi matabang, masarap. Feel ka magugustuhan mo. What can you say?
Kulang na sa tamis.
Ay, gusto mo mas matamis.
Pero pwede na.
Masarap. Masarap nito. This is from Cafe D. Yun lang kasi yung meron dito. Hi guys, nasa bus na kami right now. Hindi ko malaksan yung boses ko kasi syempre may ibang tao kaming kasama, but we are naka-travel agency. So, yun. Araw-araw kaming nakabus. Right now, we are going to Taichung.
Maybe, not many, but maybe. Yeah, okay. So, does anyone have any idea what Taichung means? Taichung means. Taichung.
Kain na kami.
Gutom na.
Tada, this is the place. And dito kami mag-lunch. Late lunch. we're here at our next destination. Yes, let's go. We are with a gang. Yan yung mga boat and the lake and the people, the surroundings, and the group. Ay, mag-group photo. The weather is just perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna ride this. Yun na, nasan nga tayo? Sa boat.
Okay, welcome.
Pag inakyat mo yan, may makikita kayong temple. Pero hindi na kami umakyat kasi 3:45 dapat nandito na kami sa meeting place. So nagpicture na lang kami. Hi. So this is the famous tea egg according to our tour guide. Fengcha University and we are at Fengcha Night Market. Mukha siyang Hongdae ang vibes. Wow! Taste test ng what's this? Potato balls? Nothing inside. Potato and taro yata to. Let's taste this one. Milky donut. Yun, oh. So, daming people. Kuha ko na yung fries after 2 years. And this is it. Ang haba niya, pakita mo. Show how long the fries is. Tada! Yay! Got it! Ang sarap! Brown sugar milk. Ang sarap. Show. Wow! Got dumplings. We're gonna taste my dumpling. Mainit. Super init ba? Ang sarap. Tatabi nga yung video ko, di ba? Si Mami yung may hawak. Ito na dinner ko. Punta kami sa store na to. Kinikilig ako, Lolo the Pig. Unbox ko to mamaya, tapos gagamitin ko bukas. Yes. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa aming hotel sa Taichung and our hotel is Park Lane Inn. Ngayon, mag-a-unbox tayo nito. Kasi ito lang naman yung nabili ko throughout this day. Ayan, may dalawa tayong Teddy Lulu. Isa akin, isa kay Shani. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda nito, oh. Diba? Ang cute niya. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung secret. Shucks, ang ganda ng secret. Let's open. Itong Teddy Lulu talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi, nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. Dumaan siya sa FYP ko. Ang cute niya! Tapos nakasabit sa bag mo. Oh my gosh, you're so cute, Teddy Lulu! May laro siya. Wait. May mirror sa harapan ko, pero hindi ko pa din ma-identify. Ano to? Gray? Blue? Blue! Sakto, naka-blue ako bukas! Ang cute mo naman! Hala, gusto ko pa! Oh my gosh, ang cute! I got this for 500 new Taiwan dollar. Pero pag kinonvert mo talaga siya sa peso, it is 921. So, ang laki niya ha! Malaki siya! Kasing laki niya yung hand ko. We're inside Taipei 101 ngayon. Akala ko yaw-yaw. Kasi green and white. Crocs pala. Bilhan namin si Daddy ng Lululemon na 2 liters para i-let go na niya yung 1 liter. We got it! 2 liters, color black with black zipper. We are going to Pandora. I they have the charm with type. Tada! We got it, guys. This is a must lagi, yung tax refund. Kasi sayang, may babalik na money sa'yo. Because we are tourists. Parang nagtuturo. May nadaanan kaming kirid. Hindi ko naman directly naamoy yung pabango. Pero naamoy ko siya sa surroundings. Ang bango-bango. Ganun pala amoy ni Chesung Chua. Kahit hindi ko siya lapitan, maaamoy ko siya. Ganun pala yun ka-strong. She's gonna pay as fast as she could. Cause she is panicking. She is panicking. May iwan daw kami ng bus. Donut secured and balik na kami dun sa meeting place. Hindi ko na show kanina pero ayan yung tawag dyan? Taipei 101. Kamukha ba ni Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty ba to? Parang siyang Winnie the Pooh. Pop Mart secured. Pero wala nung mga gusto kong Molly, tsaka Hirono, tsaka Hachi Pupu. Out of stock na lahat ng new release nila. Nabili si Mami ng milky sa Singfu Town. Ang sarap. Lalo na yung pearl. Super crowded dito. This is kinda cool. So, taste test. Sarap?
Sarap.
Wow. What is that?
Miswa.
So, this is my Care Bear. Kaya ako magbubukas kasi bubuksan na din ni Mami yung kanya. Ito pwede makuha. Okay, let's open my Cozy Life plush pendant. Ano ba to? Pagkabukas ko, yun na. Or naka-plastic. Ay, perfect. Naka-plastic. May card. May card sa loob. Hindi ko nakita. Hala! Ang cute! Favorite color ni Mami. Yellow! Tignan mo yung chan niya. May nakalog. Oh, so cute. Got yellow and siya yung Funshine Bear. Look! It's ube cheese! Good morning. We are inside the bus right now and galing kaming Family Mart kasi nag-withdraw kami ng NTD. And look what I bought.
So everybody know that Taiwan we have then hot spring they have and Japanese people will love it and those good for the.
Hi guys. Ang last ang hangin. After walking, look. Ang daming tao. Mas madali yung pababa compared sa paakyat kanina. taste test. McDonald's secured! Hanggang Taiwan, nakamakdo pa din! That's good. Hi, we're back sa hotel and now we're gonna eat McDonald's. So I got 4-piece nuggets and this honey mustard. Let's try the nuggets. Tastes like McDo nuggets. Dip natin sa sauce. More on sesame siya. Parang okay lang. Sarap. So, may binili kami kanina ni Daddy dun sa, ano ang tawag dun? Night market. Roasted pork chop. Let's try the rice. Alam, sarap naman. Pork chop roasted. So, mag-unbox tayo today. Ang nabili ko lang is itong 4, tsaka yung Care Bear na keychain. First is this one. Ang gusto ko talaga is yung Little Prince, pero out of stock na siya. Gusto ko is yung Secret, kasi bear siya, or itong star. Yung star yung pinakagusto ko. Star ba to? Hindi siya star. Ano to? Hala! Ang cute! Ano to? It's a bird? Ang cute! Let's open this one next. Gusto ko dito is itong Secret Tears kasi it's bear. Or itong Not Just Cute kasi pink ribbon. Okay, parang kahit ano naman, pero sana yung Secret Tears or Not Just Cute. Ano to? Oh my gosh. Let us see. Hala! Oh my gosh! Hala, naiyak siya! Kita niyo ba? Ayun, oh my tear. Oh my gosh. I want ko, parang cute lahat. Environmental protection or itong supermarket adventures. Ang cute nito. Let's open. Ang cute! May pusa! Guys, ang meow-meow. Nakaganto siya dito. Yan, parang tulo laway siya. Tapos itong dinadapaan niya is laway niya. Tapos ito is parang kumot sa likod. Oh my gosh, ang cute! Ang cute pang display. Okay, so last one is ang ating Cry Baby na Powerpuff Girls. Ang gusto ko makuha dito is itong mga bunny. Tingnan nyo, ang cute. Mga bunny. Bunny na Buttercup! Diba yung texture niya? Oh my God! Ang cute talaga ng mga Cry Baby series. Hi guys, so magko-haul tayo ngayon nung mga pinamili ko sa Taiwan. I have this chestnut mini cake. And sa store na binilhan namin ito, bumili din kami nitong cranberry milk cake, tiramisu dark chocolate mochi. And then we have here almond chocolate. Ang sarap nito, as in, masarap pag punta kayong Taiwan, buy this one.
highly recommend this one. The boba chocolate.
Ito kasi hindi ko na mahanap yung packaging niya kasi ubos na yata.
This one, it is the boba. And this one naman, yung bubble tea. I also have this one. It's the matcha mochi. We have onion rolling cake and kahit hindi yung brand na to, yung like may brand kaming binila na nasa Ziploc bag. Masarap din siya. So, i-try nyo. Onion rolling cake. Drip coffee. Kasi nakita ko sa Carrefour may mga drip coffee. So, kumuha ako kahit hindi ko maintindihan. These two yung binili ko. Try ko na to. And okay naman siya. Masarap naman. Ito, hindi ko pa siya natatry.